This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make twisted fringes while knitting. So I started a scarf and I'm going to show you how to create these lovely twisted fringes. It's so easy and it looks elegant. Just wanted to show you a close-up look. Okay, I even started the stitch, and after that, when you start these twisted fringes, you can always fix them, and then they twist up perfectly. Okay, so let's get started. It depends on what you want to start with. If you want to start on a cardigan, if you want to start on a, well, mine is a scarf. So I started a scarf. So I am pulling up my straight needles this time. I usually use circular needles, but I notice I need to use these. So I'm just grab my 5mm knitting needles. They're US 8, and I bought these at Michael's, and I even did a review about them. This is the brand. I don't think they sell it anymore. They sold it, and Michael's didn't carry this in my area. So yeah, I'm going to be using these, and the yarn that I'm going to be, as you know, I did mention that I make scarves for the homeless, scarves, hats, and I donate some of my stuff that I make on my Etsy that I sell. And I already donated a bag, and now I'm creating more. So I have this yarn in my stash. I bought it before this virus came out. And thank God, because I'm using my stash. I'm not buying yarn. I went a couple of times to Michael's, so I did buy yarn that I needed. And this is the yarn. It's again made in Turkey, and it's super soft. I just love this. I think I bought this in Walmart. Yeah, before this thing came out. I did a Afghan with this color gray, this color. Okay, and it's asking 5mm knitting needles, so perfect. So I'm just going to pull the yarn from here somewhere and cast on as many stitches you need, and I'll be right back. Okay, for demonstration purposes, on this one I cast on total of 45 stitches. This is going to be a scarf. So I'm going to move this aside just to show you closer how it looks like. And so it's going to be the same. And this is the back. This is the back of how it looks like. Just wanted to show you. Okay. So I did a tutorial on how to crochet the twisted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start knitting this version, and then when I finish it up, I'm going to do the crochet version, just to point that out, because I think that would be easy. I don't know. You can always check if you're a crocheter or a knitter. Okay, so I'm just for demonstration, I just cast on 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches. So what I do is I pull this as to knit. So this is the one that I'm going to be twisting. So please do measure and then go from there. And what you do is, yeah, I need to show it to you. So I do not pull it. I just leave that stitch back there. And then let me make this shorter. So what I do is I twist this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then you will notice, see? 18. So this means it's enough. So what I do is I put this loop, the end of this back here, and then you will notice that it's twisting. See how it looks? Doesn't this look fantastic? And then we come back here, and I knit these 2 stitches together because we increased 1 stitch. and I knit this just like this. And then we created our first twisted fringe. You can make this longer. Just for a camera I can't fit in, and just measure it, try to have the same length for the next ones that you were going to be making. And then I pull this again. You need something. I'm just going to grab a crochet hook because I don't want to lose this one here. So I just grabbed a crochet hook. You can grab a DK double pointed needle, that's no problem at all, and then pull it like this, and then continue turning this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, and you will notice, see, it's getting twisted already. And then pull this back, put this back on the needle. I think this is shorter. Yeah, I think I did this shorter. But you understand what I'm trying to say, because it's not fitting into the camera. It's tough. So I knit these two together, just like this. So I come here and grab the two. You need to grab the two and lock it, just like this, and pull this. Yeah, it's shorter than this because I didn't measure. But yeah, but you get the drill. So you get the trick. It's so fun to create these fringes. And then again, make another one, and then grab the other, and then pull this as long as you want, and then try twisting it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then I put it back on the needle, just like this. And then I come back and I knit it. Knit these, grab these two, whichever you knit. You can knit it like this, you can knit this way, whichever you feel comfortable, and knit those two stitches together, and then pull this. And this is how you create. Let me show you one more time. So pull this. That wasn't a stitch. I guess when I was moving it around, it became just a yarn. So I pull this as long as I want, and I start twisting it. Depends on how long you want it. The longer you have, the more you need to twist it. And you will understand, you will notice that there would be no room to turn. Like, see how you see there's, and then it will twist by itself. So automatically, that I didn't even count. And then I grab these two stitches, these two together, and I knit it. And then I pull this. Yeah, this one's longer than the other one. Always measure, and this is how you knit. You knit, and then you pull, and then you start twisting. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it back, and then you knit two together. And fix this twist. just like this. So I hope you like this short tutorial on how to make twist fringes while knitting. And then after you finish this row, on the next row you can create whichever you want to knit. This can be done on anything, on bags, anything that you can think of. Bags, blankets. It gives that nice look. And this is the back of how it looks like. This is the back how it looks like. You can make rib stitches and then start anything you want. It looks nice and textured. So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just had to share how, for the knit version, as I did the crochet version, how to create these fringes while knitting. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting! Stay home, stay safe.